Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to answer or reject a phone call in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. Now to answer this phone call, you have to touch and swipe right this green answering icon. And you can see that you will answer the call. Now I will show you how to reject a phone call. Now to reject this phone call, you have to touch and swipe left this red icon. And you can see that you will reject the call. You can also answer or reject a phone call using your volume button and power button. Now you have to turn on these two settings. First you have to open your phone app and then tap on three dots, then go to settings. From here go to answering and ending calls, and from here if you turn on these two settings, now you can answer or reject a phone call using your volume key and power key. And that is how you can answer or reject a phone call in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.